Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And today I am back from vacation from Austria. Have been hiking there in the mountains and so on, and yeah, good times with the family. And I tried to score some locks there, but unfortunately all the locksmiths I visited were like, sorry, we don't give out locks and so on, which is fine, but you can always try, and was hoping for. So all I could do was go to a hardware store and I found this Abus lock. So ironically, I go to Austria, try to find an Austrian lock, but I get a German one. So this one I will be picking in a future video. And today I thought I will pick this dimple lock for you, which I found in a cheap store there. And yeah, ironically, this is also like German standard. I don't know, it's probably made for Germany. Where is it produced? Probably somewhere in China or so. Can't find it. So yeah, not much to learn from the packaging. Let's get it open and try to get it picked. Where's actually my knife? There. So it's a 6-pin lock. Keyway looks something like a seal. Whoa, do you see how much slop it has? Not a good sign. But let's get it in a vise and hopefully I can get it picked. What is best for you? Maybe like this. And let's zoom you in. Too thick. Yeah, perfect. And let's pick from the left side of the keyway. Maybe just a straight one. So rotating counterclockwise and picking clockwise. One is binding. Feels good. Three, or is it four already? So something in the back is binding. I think there was 6. No, 5. I think this is 6 now, which is binding strongly. Okay, a bit boring, but yeah, it's open. So, let's gut it quickly. Oh, I haven't gutted a lock in a while. Oh, is it guttable? Yeah, should be. Annoying C-clip though. So I guess I will fast forward this and see you back in a bit. Okay, welcome back from Fast Forward. As expected from picking, all pins are standard, really nothing spectacular. Somehow the pins are magnetic, so my tweezer, which is still a bit magnetic, catches on them. Yeah, but really nothing exciting about this lock. But at least it's not a skeleton core or so, which I was actually afraid of in this price range. But yeah, it is what it is. Nothing really secure. The Be Safe Sicherheitszylinder, yeah, with drill protection. Does it even have drill protection? I don't know if it has drill protection. I cannot tell. Packaging says so. They will never lie, will they? So yeah, all I have for you on this Be Safe. So yeah, back from vacation and happy to be picking again. So hope to see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.